I'm gonna go lock it back and just go on the roof.
Do everything where you do. Take your time. Make some little 15 second video.
Yeah, just do one, then I can chop it up. Jeez, Jerome. God, your place big. Nice property, big, nice. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You know it's your boy 416 to 876 Jamaica, and my people. And yeah, right now we're in at the mall. Turn around, show you. They're in the mall right now. I'll do a quick vlog phone in on my people. I'm sorry if you can't hear me too good because today I don't have my microphone on me. So yes, my people, we finally hit what? The 1,000 subscription, 1,000 subscriber. So me I say, I know I have to put out a quick video phone right away, one quick fast. You know, just reach 1,000 subscribers, you know, my people. So me have to bless you up, you know, my people. I want to make me reach that side, you know, my people. Me thank you, you know, my people. Thank you a lot, man. So you know, so after that, you know, my people, the next word is what? 2,000. Yes, my people, but right now, this is Black Friday weekend, or week in Canada. So right now, if you don't want me to do a tour of the Black Friday sales and stuff, you know, make me know, you know, my people, but you know, done so I come to talk about, you know, my people. You understand? I'm not really true going, because them don't really have too much good Black Friday sale. I buy one, get one free type of thing them have, and I think that's not a good sale right now, yeah, man. I'm have to come better. I remember one time, you know, back in the days, you know, people, 50%, 60% off Black Friday sale you are getting, you know. Right now, them days are done. Everybody want back their money right now. Right now, people, to where the place are set right now, I feel like everybody just broke. I don't know if I'm me alone I feel it, or other people over different countries, parishes, islands, you know, America, England, China, Europe. I feel the same situation, because right now the bookings them down for me right now for the studio, the photo shoot, music video, and I want to just have a go on well and pan, plus me I try to finish up the house, work slow because when you work for the film production industry, them not really shoot in a winter time, you know, because it's too cold and most location shoot and stuff we normally do. And right now we can't do that because outside too cold, you understand? So everything kind of slow, but you know we have love and we have Father God, and make Father God make everything just work how it's supposed to work. So Father God's a slow time right now, you know, you see me people. But you don't see what we come to talk about, you know, the house. You understand? I'm not really steer straight away from the topic here right now, you know. Just almost talk about the house throughout the video, yeah. You understand? So, when you see part with up on the house now, my people, the downstairs are almost complete. You get the tiler guy for fully come tile up my house. Boom, the tiler man mash up it. Not even mash up, fuck it up. My head space get cheap. I'm saying not even finished. No more house, you know, my people. Yeah, man. I quit, man, my people. My name Father God say, you know, you can't quit. People must say, bro, how far you come? You finish the house, the only thing left to do really if you do the plumbing and tiling out the house and the kitchen cabinets and stuff. And you're done. You can't do that, man. I say, Lord of God, man, them thief. After them take up the tile, you know, my people, them thief some of my tile, you know, my people. Thief away my team set them, you know, my people. And all of them things, you know, my people. So right away, me just 1 second, my people. Music I play, I have to come back. Yes, my people, we're back at it again. So like me up on the topic, people. After them take up the tile and things setting on my people. The man them thief for the tile, some of my tile, 2 boxes of my tile get gone. Tin set get gone. Only cement never get thief and steel and stuff in my people. And look how long me they up there, you know. So after that, I just tell my cousin, say, oh, Just lock up the house, do the steel job and lock up the house and just left it alone, yeah, man. Nobody not go up there, everybody just leave me alone. You understand? Because them don't understand how hard it is if we go up here, so work hard. You understand? We can't buy stuff for ourselves like that because we are trying to pursue a dream to say, yo, we need something in the yard, so when we come back a yard, we not have to rent no Airbnb, somebody else Airbnb. We not have to go to nobody's house. We not have to spend a bag of money at a hotel. None of that fuckery. You understand? But now look on it. Look on it now, my people. And thief up my tile them. And do all sort of things. And then my mind just say, you know what? Now I finish the house, you know, just left it like this and done, you know, my people. And then I say, you know what? We come so far, my people. And sometimes that the devil want, you know. If we just give up. And we can't give up, you know, people, because sometimes, you know, we alone have to fight the demons them out there, you know. And we have to fight the demons of our family too, you know. Because if we don't do it, you know, then now we can see possible, you know. You understand? So sometimes Father God just put you in a position to make you know, say, yo, if you don't do it, nobody else now can do it in your family line, you know. So you know what I have to do? I have to just pick up back the pace, you know, my people, and say, you know what? We are go on again, you know. We are move back on again, you know. We are going to push back forward again, you know. And so now, I start the upstairs of the house, my people. Yes, man. Right, that's how they know, people. Upstairs we got now. But see when me that make the house, people, me never have in my mind, say, me that go build an upstairs room. So me never did the electrical. You know, when you put up a pipe them in a roof, and I seal it before you cast it and stuff. Me never do the electrical for that. And me never do the plumbing. So right, that's how me know, so me that get a drawback. People more going into the story about me can't even go in because of music again. So I'm start up here so for a bit and talk to you know. Right now we're at Scarborough Town Centre in Scarborough in Toronto. So yeah man, I want to look at the mall we always come to, man. But right now the mall look like it dead. When I choose a day now, man, my people the mall always pack and ram out, you know. And me if you tell you know my people, pack up of people every Tuesday. We have people them name Bada used to be dancing over your son after school and thing, you know, man, people. They have a place called a recreation center. I think Jamaica needs some recreation center if them not have none. Some after school places where the kids them can go to enjoy themselves and them teach them and help them with them resume and help us get jobs and stuff like that. Right in a school, man, yes man. So after school, you know, so right at work we gone, you see it. But jump back on the house stop with people. So yeah man, so now we start build the upstairs. Me know so me da running a couple problem. And the problem was that me never install those stuff at that time when me do the roof or casting the roof. Because I never had a plan for build no upstairs. Find the picture of the downstairs and low look nice, my people. Now you're gonna see a video of how upstairs look now, my people, because we just start the upstairs right now, my people. So you're gonna see in a video the man do the staircase and we're gonna start the blocking up at the upstairs. So upstairs is gonna be a 1 bedroom studio apartment. So bathroom, kitchen, open concept living area. Yes man, my people, so we are gonna do it now, man. We know say it's hard, you know. But we just have to get it done and move on from it. You understand? And like me say, we're gonna do the roof different than the one or two. We're not slab top it off. We're gonna do the deco tile and call it or something like that. Yeah, that we are gonna do with the roof right now, my people. But sometimes when it happens, people, don't make it hold you down. Don't make it hold you down. Might hold you down for a good 2-3 months. But we have to get up back again, my people, and push on and move on. Because if we don't do it, nah, got me, you know. I don't know if I'm going to make the video for too long. Like Mr. in mall, me there. I mean, I go and fuck my eye with some window shopping. Because you don't know, you know, I can't really buy no clothes, you know, because I go buy all the pants and a shirt right now if you want 2 bills. The 2 bills, they can get me almost 200 black, you know. That's some me look on it, you know, my people. And some me been look on it for the last year or 2. But you know what, people? I will be back, you know, my people. I will run going on the store and come back and talk to you now again. Cool? Yes, my people, welcome back. I have to go in the store, see me that pick up a perfume because you don't know me. I try pack a look bag right and now for go to Jamaica. So somebody that asked me for bring them a perfume. When we go check out the price, people, the perfume are 150 for one Gucci bamboo or whatever it called. The 150 them I look for me and say, you know what? You could buy me some cement or sand or steel, you know, my people. But you see, life just fuck up, you know. I'm sorry for the bad words, you know, people. But life just mess up sometime, you know. Because every little thing, when I look on for buy, or give, or do, me I look on so I can buy materials with the money, you know, my people. And I saw for mindset I go stay to, you know. When you are build a Jamaica, you just want to get it over and done with it, you know, people. So every little thing, you know, we go alright. For instance, if we go to one party, 2 or 3 of my bedroom name, and we go make up and buy 1, 2, 3 buckle for the night. I say I put 1, 3 bills towards 1 buckle and 2 bills to 1 buckle. And then I have to gas for go, trace food when I go hungry again, pay for going. So $300 that for the night, my people. You know how much things I can, you know how much plumbing supply, you know how much blocks. I put 700 pounds that, you know, my people. 1,000 block that I got from my upstairs house, you know. You understand? But I have to change my mindset from that, people, and try to still live in at the time. That's why I go up on a 1-2 vacation. Vacation video come just now too, you know, my people. When I go there, I probably put them the out right after this one. And give the house video them a look a break. Because I run out of footage after I left the house. You understand? So that reach me right now. So I probably have about 3 or 4 more house video left before I reach a Jamaica and I start vlog now. The Jamaican style one want to see. You understand? But right now we are running out of content with the footage where them send come give me over the months and the year I've been building. So like I say, my mindset in there I have to leave off of building the downstairs, and come downstairs could I finish up a movie in a long time, you know, my people. Landscape off yard, build all the pool, you know. But when they thief up the tile, people, I just say, you know what, Father God, just to go upstairs, yeah, man. And I so come now, you have to see the upstairs part of the house and thing where I get built right now. But sometimes, you know, my people, you just have to put away your feelings and your anger against everything and just do what's right. It might be hard, but you know, so in the long run, it'll go pay off. Because I don't want no upstairs no house or no 3-bedroom house. Because I do them big house there in Jamaica and I don't live there. You understand? I go there for a couple months and I'm going back to Toronto again. But then I look upon it and I say, at least I have a place for myself and rent out the downstairs. Even if I have to stay there 1 and 2 months or 3 or 6 months, I still can rent out downstairs and still stay at my place. So that's why I know I say, Father God say, oh, you know what? Go and go build it, youth. And that's how come I build it in my people. So everybody out there who are go through them crisis and things, just want to know, hold on, man. I know so it's gonna be a brighter day, one day. You understand? It's hard, but we can't give up hope. Like I've been telling you, we have to push, we have to move on, and we have to make it come back forth again, my people. And we have to thank Father God in all like too, you know, my people, because Father God make we can do anything we are do right now. So throughout the video again, I'm going to see the building upstairs. I'm just show you the blocking up part with the staircase I'm send me and part of the house blocking up. I'm going to show all of it, and in the next video probably show you when just flash now and stuff like that. Then right after again we'll show you the roof. It cost me almost $2 million. It cost me for the one roof job, you know, my people. One roof cost me $2 million, you know, my people. For sure you're wicked, you know. But when I go now next to my people, talk to you now after and end of the video. Yes, my beautiful people, we're back. You know, so we're going to end the video right now. We'll leave the mall outside kind of cool up, you know, my people. So, just want to thank you again, you know, for the 1,000 subscribers, you know, my people. Yes, my people, I have a thank you, man. When you give me what? 1,000 subscribers, my people. So, I want to thank you again. I want to just like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't worry people, all the mad content them who no want for Jamaica, come to man my people. Just give me a chance man, just go and subscribe man. Like Jamaican content, I will come man. Anything you know want me for record, I go to go record a daytime phone no man. No want to set up a land where I sell, I go record that phone no man. No want to beat sides, I got beat sides. No want to got Elsha, we got Elsha. No want to got the falls, we got the falls. And want to link up with other YouTubers down there. We link up man, my people want to stay at the house and finish build up what we are build up on. Yeah man, my people. All of that is in the works. So you don't know my people. I just want to know if you what. Like, share to the channel and subscribe and thanks again my people. You know? It's a journey, you know. I'm glad all of you have to hear me talk, hear my part of the story throughout life. You understand my people? So like, share and subscribe. 416-876 Jamaica, your boys out.